Jamaica people don't need for work up on the eye. We don't need for work up on the eye. The winter tourist season starts today. Today. It starts today. The winter tourist season starts today. And Jamaica government and Jamaica authority, you see, and the mayor them at Jamaica, them have big plans for the winter tourist season. Them don't have no plans to stop crime and violence at Jamaica. You have more people dying in this crime and violence more than even what people dying in the COVID-19. And Jamaica government and Jamaica authority with the mayors them only fighting COVID. And people were keeping a little cheap ass dance to make a better tomorrow for them and them picnic. This is not about attacking the rich. This is about attacking the poor. Jamaica people, you don't need to attack, you don't need to see wagwan, you know. This is all about attacking the poor class of Jamaica. You see, we bring on the to no knees. Because the winter tourist season starting today, you know. Starting today. And Jamaica government no have no plans and no putting nothing at all in place to stop the crime and violence or tone down the crime and violence and tax the thief in Jamaica. But them have a strategy to lock up Jamaican from one place to one part of the parish to the next part of the parish because of COVID. But yet still, you have more people losing their life inside of motor vehicle accident. More in motor vehicle accident in Jamaica, and crime and violence, people gunning down like it's a wild west. And the government of Jamaica only, and the mayors of Jamaica only dealing about people who are keeping a few parties, people who are keeping a few parties, people who are keeping a few parties, and people what walking literally around in Jamaica without a mask. It's a shame. If you calculate the status of how much people, the old people where them claim they said died in a COVID-19, which we don't have no proof, or died by COVID-19, which we don't have no proof. You see? Which we do not have no proof. Which we do not have no proof. You see? And the thing and the talk of the town, it's all about. You see? It's all about. You see? The talk of the troops and the talk of the town is all about the COVID-19. And the COVID-19 is 11,000. And the COVID-19 death is 200. The crime death rate at 300 and add. 100 and add more than COVID. So we want to pay attention to COVID. So many people might protect themselves. And want to draw the old people them out of them house, make them a dead up by themselves, you know. All of them old people want to say about the COVID number. I want to take them out of them house in an election to go vote. For them catch COVID. I want to pay attention to the COVID. And the crime and violence at Jamaica turn up in that Christmas here. I turn up. Whether on the lockdown for Christmas, yes, I know. Now going to stop the crime and the violence. Take out the mind and the eyes off of the COVID. And start pay attention now to the crime and the violence at Jamaica. Them little people will continue missing at Jamaica. Uno no feelings, no heart people. Uno need to check uno eyes off of COVID. They find vaccine now. So the vaccine is coming. Pay attention to the crime and the violence at Jamaica. Tone that down. Tone that down and let the people them vote on 4 more years for. And all you do for instance, and that's pay attention to COVID, like you live a COVID yard. Yeah? You don't need to do something about the crime and the violence at Jamaica. Because the crime is more than the COVID. In a COVID time, we don't hear anybody in the rest of the country them have them high amount of crime. People are hyped on COVID, but Jamaica nobody not hyped on COVID. People do more crime more than COVID. Please, the message needs to pass around. The man where them call blowguard, you see, only paying attention to the COVID money. He not pay attention to the crime and the violence of Jamaica. All him pay attention to sell land. That's what I pay attention to. He not pay attention to the crime, the people and people who continue and missing every day. Man I get gunned down like a wild west.
This is not taking a look at NEPA.
Please. Jamaicans, prophet and prophetess. of the Caribbean, you no need to start pay attention to what's going on. Protect your community. Be careful of the taxi robbers them. You see, this is the time when we're supposed to use on the phone. And this is the time where we're supposed to can talk to the commander-in-chief. Because Moses said to God, say, God, wait, I want and my people, let me send me go send me about to go get me down because my people has corrupt themselves. Moses talk to God and not answer God enough. So why you can't talk to the Prime Minister? And tell the Prime Minister, say, this is not the time when you have to talk about tackling COVID. This is the time when you have to tackling crime and violence. To make a peaceful Jamaica, people can walk free night. Don't go tourists, tourists alone supposed to walk free in Jamaica. Tourists supposed to can come in and out. Walk around as they feel like, but we the Jamaican can't go in and out. All the little Jamaican they will kill themselves overseas as they reach back at them one country. Rob and dead. Rob and dead. Rob and dead. Rob and dead. No man. Jamaica people don't need to take a stand. All of the Jamaican them overseas we are implant to enjoy them Jamaica need to take a stand. Everybody just come out and look at me and them and fire say, well, me and then get some big saying I know. I come back them and lock down people with COVID because the COVID is spreading. Yes, the COVID is spreading. Yes, we all agree, but the crime and violence is more. Solution more important. COVID is the crime. There's them find vaccine and over vaccinate the whole of our ass. You see? Them find vaccine and over vaccinate the whole of our ass to save it from COVID. So let us forget about COVID now and start cracking crime and violence. Make we can see a Christmas where everybody go tonight.